Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create AI chatbot advertisement using custom shapes. Start with a diagonal gradient background, then add glowing dots to form a text pattern. Now insert robot or chatbot vectors, add new lines behind it, add digital wave shapes, insert CTA button shape, and add glow effect to the bottom. Add headlines using futuristic fonts and add hologram particles, add light rays behind the subject, insert icons around the product, add gradient overlays for unity. Also adjust vibrance, add blur to the background shapes, finalize the design.